In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TMA Overlay TradingView Pro. We'll walk through the basic process of adding the TMA Overlay indicator to your TradingView chart, and I'll give you some simple context so you know what you're doing at each step, rather than just clicking around. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and have a chart open for the market you want to analyze. This could be Forex, crypto, stocks, or anything else you normally trade. Once your chart is open, and you can see the price candles, we're ready to add the indicator. Look towards the top of the TradingView interface for the Indicators button. It's usually located near the toolbar at the top of your chart. Go ahead and click on Indicator. This opens the Indicators and Strategies window, which is where you can search for and apply all kinds of tools to your chart. Inside that Indicators window, you'll see several tabs and sections. At the top of this window, you'll notice a search bar. Click on that top search bar so your cursor is active there. This is where you'll type the name of the indicator you want to use. Now, in the search bar, type TMA Overlay. As you type, TradingView will start filtering the results for you. You should see TMA Overlay appear in the list of available indicators. Take a second to make sure you're selecting the exact indicator you're looking for, since there can sometimes be similar names created by different authors. Once you've located TMA Overlay, click on it once. TradingView will immediately apply it to your chart. After you click it, you should see new lines or bands appear over your price candles. That's the TMA Overlay. From here, you can hover over the indicator name at the top left of your chart to access its settings. You can adjust things like colors, line thickness, or any default parameters the script provides, so it matches your personal trading style and is easy for you to read during live analysis. If you want to unlock more chart layouts, more indicators on a single chart, and an overall smoother experience while using tools like TMA Overlay, consider upgrading to TradingView Pro. I have an affiliate link in the video description that you can use to sign up. It doesn't change the price for you, but it does support the channel and helps me keep making tutorials like this. That's all you need to do to get TMA Overlay up and running on TradingView Pro.